guys, how are you? It's Lindy and welcome to a new video. Pablo is asleep right now, so I'm just going to do it like this again. In today's video, I'm going to do something which I probably should not do, but that I'm going to do anyways, because that's how I live my life. Because in today's video, I'm going to do my own acrylic nails. So, yeah, if you're interested in seeing me ruin my own nails, then please keep on watching. So, I've had acrylic nails 3 times in my life, which were all 3 like one of the best times of my life. I honestly love having acrylic nails. They make me feel amazing. Like, I don't know what it is, but there's just like this majestic like power in acrylic nails that once you got them on, you just feel like you feel amazing. But they are very expensive and I really do not want to pay that much money for only my nails, because I also need to feed Pablo his very expensive food. So I thought, why not just do them myself, because that is a lot cheaper. So I got some acrylic stuff over here. And I'm going to use this to do my own nails. And I've actually done my own acrylic nails before. I've done it like, I'd say 3 years ago. So that is the last time that I did it. It looked horrible. It was also the first time that I did it. I didn't really look up any tutorials anymore, so I'm just going off by the information that I looked up 3 years ago. So I hope that I still remember how it's supposed to go, but I don't. A lot of it I forgot, but that's okay. We're just gonna start. I got some acrylic powder, acrylic liquid, nail tips, a primer. I also got nail forms, but I'm really not gonna use this, so I don't know why I grabbed these. Let's just like... Why is it that every time I try to throw something away, it like goes incredibly wrong? Let's try that again. So, I don't need these. Better. And I, of course, also got some brushes, but the nail brushes were all sold out. So I got these painting brushes, which are very long. So yeah, I'm not sure how this is gonna go, but we're just gonna try it out. So let's get cracking. So yeah, the first thing that I think I need to do is to prep my nails and like cut my cuticles and everything. I got a beautiful nail camera right here. Hello everyone, these are my nails. So I actually had acrylic nails for the last 3 weeks, and yesterday I ripped them all off so I could film this video. And ripping your acrylic nails off is not something that I would recommend, because I don't know if you can see it, but my nails look horrible. Wait. I literally ripped 5 layers of my nails, so they are very fragile and ugly right now, but you know, we're gonna cover them in acrylic anyway, so I guess it doesn't matter. I'm gonna cut my cuticles, and I guess you first have to like push them? I don't know, let me just do it like this. Or is it like either push or cut? I don't... Wait, does this work? Also, I bought these like cuticle scissors for like 50 cents, so I don't know if they actually work or not. Almost nothing has happened. Wait. Okay, so that turned out to be a complete failure, because they look even more horrible than they already did. My nails are so ugly. Oh god. Okay, so I'm pretty sure that I now have to buff my nails. Also, in case you're wondering, yes, I am a horrible nail biter. Like, I literally always bite my nails. This is the longest my nails have ever been in like years, probably. Oh. Okay, so nail prep is kind of done, I guess. I also have to put primer on, but I think I need to do that after I put the tips on. Maybe before, but I'm going to do it after. So I got some beautiful nail tips right here. Amazing. Okay, so now I just need to glue them on. Ah. Oh, why is it so hard? That's what she said. Okay, I'm gonna use something else. No, it doesn't stick. Wait, go there. Please stick to my nail. Please. Why don't you want to stick? Why don't you want to stick? Stay there. Stay. I don't get it. What am I doing wrong? Oh my god, I finally got them on. But only on one hand. I still need to do the other one. And this took me about like 30 minutes, I feel like. So the other hand's probably gonna take me a lot longer because these are incredibly long. This is so horrible. I do not like doing this. I don't think I'll ever be doing this again. And it is extremely crooked as well. I hate my life. Yeah, they're all glued on, but I feel like they can just literally fall off any second. Also, they are very crooked. Also, some of them are like way too small and the other ones are way too big. So, this was already a great success. I love it. So now I'm just going to cut them a little bit because even though I really love the extremely long Billie Eilish nails, I would still like to wipe my own ass. So I'm just going to cut them a little bit shorter right now. So let's see if I'm able to do that. Probably not, but yeah. I really make it look like I know what I'm doing, but honestly I have no idea at all. Okay, I am finally done with the bowing part. And I can now continue on the actual acrylic. Acrylic! Oh god, it's falling everywhere. Oh no, 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 no. What? What? No! Okay, we're just gonna pretend like that didn't happen. Let's get myself some acrylic liquid. Put it in here. Oh my god, this stuff smells so bad. I'm losing brain cells right now. This is so bad. Okay, now I'm going to get my beautiful brushes. Oh my god, this is not good for my asthma. Woo! Woo! Okay, so let's get started on the acrylic. One thing that I do know is that the powder to liquid ratio is extremely important. But what I do not know is what the powder to liquid ratio actually is. So I'm just going to dip in and see how it turns out. I always see them like dip it in there and then just go around the edges. And a little bit like this. And then they form a ball. Oh my god, I got a ball, I got a ball. Can you see it? This actually looks bad, but not as bad as I thought I would. Yo, look at my acrylic nail. Wait, please focus. I want you guys to see this. Oh my god. Honestly, this looks pretty bomb. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, I am so excited. I am so excited. Let's make a new one. Oh god, no. Oh no, no, no. Oh no. I dropped my ball in there. No. Okay, wait. Let's not use that one. Got my ball. I'm gonna put it on my nail. Oh, bitch. I am a natural talent. La 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 la. Let's make another ball. These balls are exciting. I am definitely losing brain cells though. Like, this stuff smells so incredibly bad. Like, I don't know what it's made of, but I'm pretty sure it's not supposed to be on this earth. But you know, I'm going to put it on my body anyways, because why the hell not? I feel like I'm doing a pretty amazing job right now, but I'm pretty sure that if there are any nail techs watching this, that they are gonna report my channel. Oh god, look at that ball. Oh my god. Look at what I made. Oh, just look at these beauties. Oh my god. I think I found my new passion in life. The only thing that I'm kind of scared of right now is that I am right-handed. So right now it is fairly easy for me to do. But I think that if I'm going to have to do the other hand, I'm actually gonna cry. Okay, so my first hand is done right now. Look at it. Oh my god, it's so pretty. So what I'm now going to do is I'm going to do my other hand, which is going to be a disaster. I can already tell. Maybe I should do it like this. Make the ball with this one. And then like this. Oh no, I dropped it. This is so hard. So hard. I'm putting it all over my skin. Last finger, and then we can go on to nail polish. Oh god, this one turns out horrible. Yoopsie doopsie 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 day. Woo! Oh! I am done with the acrylic. Okay, let's go to my beautiful nail cam. Well, they aren't like, this one is still drying, but they aren't like the most beautiful nails ever, but I feel like I definitely did a pretty good job. I'm just going to file these down a little bit, and then we can continue on the nail polish. So, see you later, alligator. Look guys, Pablo is finally here. Hey Pablo. Okay, he's not interested. So what I'm now going to do is I'm going to paint my nails. So I actually got a nail polish right here. That is, I mean, it kind of matches the shirt that I'm wearing, which I love. And I also got some blue greenish glitters. So I think I'm going to put this on my nails and then the glitter on top. Because I feel like that's just going to be a beautiful combination and it's going to match my shirt. But I do not know if it's going to match the outfit that I'm going to wear tomorrow. But you know, again, that will be a problem for the future. I live in the now, I live in the moment. So let's ruin my nails even more. Also, this is like a very old nail polish. So, oh my god. Let me do that again. I honestly can't even remember the last time that I put nail polish on my nails. Like, I don't pay any attention to my nails at all. Because, again, I'm a nail biter, so they always look ugly. So I'm not really gonna, like, try to make them look beautiful. Because I know they're gonna look ugly in, like, 5 seconds. So I don't even bother anymore. But today is an exception. Because I got some beautiful nails. Now on to the beautiful glitter layer. Oh my god, you guys, I am done with my nails. I'm done with my nails. They're still wet, but I am very impatient, so I'm not going to wait for them to dry. But yeah, these are my nails. Oh my god. Oh my god. Honestly, they are a completely different color than my shirt is. I thought it would match, but it doesn't match at all. But yeah, these are my nails. Look at my nails. Oh no, it's way too wet. Oh no, 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 no. Oh my god, no! Shit, it's on my finger. Oh no. Of course, at the very end, I'm ruining everything. Let's put some glitters back on there. As if nothing happened. Oh my god. They do look a little bit different than when I get them professionally done. But honestly, it's not like, look, I know we all expected a failure, but I don't think that this is a failure. I think it actually looks pretty good, especially this hand. This hand is just amazing, perfect, nothing I would change about it. This hand is not perfect. I would change a lot about this hand, but you know, we're just not going to pay any attention to the hand. So yeah, look at this. Ooh, I'm a nail model. Oh god, I'm like, again, I'm touching the wet nail polish, but yeah. Ooh. So yeah guys, I really hope you liked this video. I do not look, I'm just gonna wait and see how long these actually hold up, because I kind of got a feeling that I'm only gonna have these for a few hours. I think I'm going to already lose one today, so if it actually if it stays on my nails for a long time, then I would definitely consider doing my own nails from now on, because you know, if it's gonna stay for like 2 or 3 weeks, then it's definitely like worth my time. But if they're gonna like fall off my fingers within a few seconds, then I will definitely not be doing this again. So yeah, it just all depends. Also, I really need to practice using my left hand, because this is just, the difference is just insane. Honestly, it is so bad. But yeah, I really hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, please don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you don't follow me yet. And I really hope to see you guys. I got like acrylic all over my hand. So yeah, okay. Also, I really hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye. I don't know if I can reach this. Wait. Oh, look at my nails. Oh, okay.